Getting intellectual property right complaints retracted by the person or company that made them is the best, fastest way to get your account reactivated or the listings reactivated. Okay, Amazon sellers. So when you receive an intellectual property right complaint, be it copyright or trademark or a patent, whether design or utility, the fastest, easiest way to get your account reactivated, to get your listing reactivated, is to persuade whoever made that complaint to retract the complaint on Amazon, identify the complaint was made in error, and retract it from the same email address that made the complaint. Now, Invisibobble. I don't even know what the product is, but I do know that Vin Familaro, one of our incredible paralegals, I think he was the second paralegal we hired, he's also just a great friend of mine, was able to get our client's account reactivated with the very first appeal because he reached out to Invisibobble and let them know that the complaint was baseless, that they are actually opening themselves up to legal claims by our client, which we are not shy about asserting, persuaded them to quickly retract the complaint. Vin sent a short plan of action, seller reinstated at the first swing at the plate. So Vin, absolutely great job. Keep crushing it for Amazon sellers. And Amazon sellers, you need to know when to stand firm. If the complaint is baseless, get it retracted. If you can't get it retracted yourself, contact me and my team. We are the best in the world at persuading brands, large and small, to get those complaints off your account when they are entirely baseless. And when are they baseless? When your products are genuine and you got the invoices to show it. You want to learn more about winning cases, getting IP complaints off your account? Go to our website and run IP complaints in our search engine. You'll find more information than any website on earth specifically for you, the Amazon seller.